Hello, this is Jamie Magrich. Welcome to Jamie's Craft Table. This video is a little bit different. I'm having difficulties with my computer, so I'm trying to film on my phone so I don't have to edit it and then I can just upload it to YouTube. I'm just using scraps I found on my desk when I was cleaning up. I just happened to throw these little pieces on this brown paper cardstock that was sitting on my desk, and I had these other little pieces, and I just figured I liked the way that looked, so let's make a card using this. I'm going to use a pre-made card. I'm just going to use what I have at hand here. Okay, so this is a 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch piece of early espresso, and these are cut. They were on my desk, but they are cut from Hues of Happiness 12 by 12 Designer Series paper, one of these sheets. Sorry if I'm too close to the camera, it's much lower than it usually is. On this piece, I did use this Stitch Greenery die and die cut on that, so it's got that nice embossing. And then this piece, which is 3/4 of an inch by 4 inches, is from Gold and Rose Gold 6x6 metallic specialty paper. I don't know if it's still current, I don't remember, but again, everything here was sitting on my desk. This little sentiment was already cut out from a previous project I tried and I didn't like, so and then this was just a scrap, and it is 1/4 an inch by 4 inches. So let's create a card. First thing I'm going to do is adhere this to the front of my card. I haven't crafted in a couple days because my computer's been down, so I got it back running, but it's not running well. It keeps shutting off in the middle of even watching videos, so I want to make this video as easy as possible to upload so I don't lose stuff. Mount that to the front of our card. Okay, then let's take this. Do we want it here? Like that offside? Do we want it this way? Well, let's look at it and see. I want to put this on here like this one. Let's put this here. You like it this way? Oh, we don't need this dark under there. It's making it hard to see. I think I'm going to do it this way. Okay. So I'm going to put this down. I'm going to leave about an inch from the bottom. Okay. Then I'm going to take this piece and we'll layer that on top of that one just to bring in that yellow that's from the flower here. Just center it on there as a stripe. Okay. Let's bring in this flower. I think I'll put it on a dimensional. Alright, let's put that about here, I think. Just setting it softly. This will go here, I think. Do you want the sentiment flat or on the... sure. I think I'll do it like that. I think I'll do the sentiment flat. Sorry if it's wiggly. This one's going to go over here. And then this one's going to go right there. You know what? I'm going to put little dimensionals under that one. See if I can find some. Awesome. And that's our card. It's very simple. Just using scraps off my desk. Well, thank you for joining me today at Jamie's Craft Table. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope you can find a little bit of time to play with some stamps, ink, and paper.